This passenger on an Air Europa flight which was flying from Spain to Uruguay had to be rescued after he was thrust up into the baggage compartment following severe turbulence. The clip posted by another passenger on board the plane shows how he was stuck in the baggage bin until other people helped him climb down after the turbulence stopped. As per reports, at least 30 people on the flight were left with injuries, though none were too serious. A passenger, Mariela, who was on the flight, said that while she was safe as she was wearing a seatbelt, those who weren't wearing one were injured. The flight was diverted to Brazil before it could reach its final destination. This in fact comes just about a month after a rare and tragic incident took place aboard a Singapore Airlines flight from London to Singapore, in which one person died and dozens were injured. The flight had encountered severe turbulence en route. Singapore Airlines had confirmed in a post on Facebook that the flight was coming from Heathrow when the turbulence shook the plane, forcing an emergency landing in Bangkok. The Boeing plane had 211 passengers and 18 crew members on board. The Singapore Airlines flight was cruising at 37,000 feet, then within 3 minutes it sharply dropped 6,000 feet and then remained at 31,000 feet for about 10 minutes before rapidly descending and landing in Bangkok. In this case too, it was passengers who weren't wearing a seatbelt who were affected. While turbulence is a normal part of flying due to weather patterns, according to some studies, flights are now getting rougher. And the main reason behind this is climate change. That's right, rising carbon dioxide emissions disrupt high altitude wind currents, which is what planes use to travel efficiently. And these kinds of incidents where people are not prepared for turbulence and hence there's no seatbelt announcement, these are caused by clear air turbulence. During bad weather, the pilot does make an announcement, but when it's clear air turbulence, the plane hits unexpected bumps even on clear days. And this is the kind of turbulence attributed to climate change. While worsening climate change would mean more turbulence, as passengers, what we can do is to buckle up and stay seated as far as possible. Hope you found this video useful. For more such content, keep watching Mint.